change.
You're nuts, son. It's not wider than that. There's no way in hell.
You don't. Can you undo what you said?
No, I can't.
Whatever, Tommy.
It's not wider than that, hon.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Magtubig tayo ng halaman. Then ngayon, umaga. Grabe yung sakit ng puson ko. Saka grabe yung agos. Morning. Come here. This way. Right here. Come here, Misty. Come this way. Hala, it's over there. Oh, come here. Right here. Come. Okay. Roxy, come. No. Come here. Good girl. Come. Keep close. Keep going. Come here. Come. Come here. Closer to mama. Come here. Mainit na. May araw na. Oh. Sun. Okay, you go, Pipi.
Maybe this got a stopper on this. Maybe it's too short. Maybe we need a second rubber ring.
Oh, that's fine. It's not this same.
Don't we have a different head?
No, this one is the head.
Like a different sprayer?
No, that's it. That's the one. Oh my god, my husband is murmuring, guys. He said, I'm gonna feed this dog now. We cannot even let them eat. We cannot even let them pee. How about it? Oh, I'll tell you a story, guys. This morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, Tommy went out to smoke. So these two dogs follow him. And then I was awake then because I heard Tommy went out. So I heard this howling, guys. A lot of them. Coyote, right? Yeah, howling, guys, so loud. So when I went out, it's really close over there. 1, 2, 2. It's like this fence. It's really close, right, honey?
Yeah.
It's like this fence. It sounds like surrounded with coyote. And then the thing about these two dogs, they don't even bark. They don't even do bark or being aggressive. Why is that, honey? It's weird, huh, right?
Because they know.
Do you know that it's a bad thing? Oh my god, I went out, guys. That's the first time I heard. I know I heard, you know, like howling before, like that. But this one is like a lot of them. Closer, very, very close, guys. Like, oh, and then they're like, all of them talking to each other, right, hon? The only start, Tommy said, the only start when the dog is out. And Roxy, I was afraid, you know, do you know that?
The dog went out with me, so they started as soon as we went.
Yeah.
And they were still going after the dogs came back in.
It's like,
I was about that.
Tommy said, if they do that, they are talking. I don't know what they're talking about, but they're talking. Hala. Hala, Han, can you get this, Han? Please. Look. Why you put the cereal on top of my bed? Bread.
We're talking about getting some food. The food would have been me and the dogs.
So that's the food?
Yes.
No, they won't eat you.
Yes, they would. Saturdays don't really have too much fear of people either.
Do you not afraid of people like other animals?
Yeah.
Last night, guys. Yeah, last night was so scary with this. 3 o'clock this morning. It's not a long time ago. And good thing about this dog I have here, even they have a big mouth, they know it's danger. You know, you don't make noise. There's a lot of turkey. They're hungry too. They're hungry. They're hungry too. Allah, Dada's mad. Allah, Dada's mad.
There's chicken in there.
Like, Dada, there's no turkey there.
You sure there is?
Did I say good morning? But if I didn't say good morning everything in the world. Tomorrow, it's time to cut the grass. Time to cut the grass na tomorrow, guys, kasi mataas na yung grass. 'Di ba namatay siya dahil sa init? And then nag-ulan-ulan, and then may mga part na green na siya. Hindi lahat naging green. Siya green brown nag-mix. So yan siya. So kailangang ikakat. Bukas na namin yan ikat kasi ngayon is weekend. Hello guys, alis kami guys. I think 1 o'clock na ng hapon. Sobrang init kaya ako na naman yung mag-drive. This. Alis na kami guys. You ready? Turn your AC over there, AC. You ready?
Just pull up to it and reach in.
I can walk. I need my exercise, okay? Yeah, guys, it's like too lazy.
Yeah, that's exercise. What she's not telling you guys is she's afraid to drive up to it because she's afraid she'll drive into the hole. Allah!
This is mom's stuff. Why did they name it to you? They changed it.
Because I was the one who had contact with them. There's a lot of little trees growing in here. We got to pull them out.
Already.
Weed killer won't kill it.
We are going to.
When I drive up to it, you tell me, you can go no.
There's a hole over there.
I know, so you're afraid to do that. That's why you decide to walk to it.
So we're heading to Home Depot, guys, to get some hose. Hose?
Horse?
Right?
Good, the horse.
Hose? Hose?
Hose?
Hose? Hose? A hose?
Hose, like pantyhose.
Hose. A hose. Guys, we're gonna just call it a hose. So we're gonna get a hose. And yun.
Here's from the shop right plaza. We'll check the dollar store right after the batteries.
Which one?
Isn't there a dollar store right in the shop right?
Yeah, why we have to go there?
To get batteries?
That's not the dollar store. Si Tami andun sa sa dollar store. Yung mga tatlo kong relo, wala nang puro battery. At saka gusto ko namang suotin kasi binili ko yun and hindi ko talaga sinusuot-suot. Sinuot ko sila noon pero yung battery na wala na talaga, yung wala ng ba. Hindi na umandar kasi sira na yung battery. So ngayon, hindi ko sila sinuot, matagal na talaga. And then kaya it's time na to put battery. What they say?
They don't have anything. They have they got a regular collection of batteries, but
Not that one.
no. You'll find, if you find, like in CVS, you find each one,
Yeah.
but it'll be like a pack of 10 batteries for each size. And they'll all be dead before you use the next ones.
Yeah.
So it's like a waste of crazy money.
Yeah. We do this way here because it's easy to get out.
She said they have the three cases of water
Okay, it's right
for
here.
$5.
Oh, really? Where is it?
That's good. In ShopRite, they're regularly $5 each or $4 each. So she said, but then I let you get like 3 per. So you can't get. You can only buy 3 per person with a card. That's what she has. If you have your own card, she goes there and buys 3 with her card, and she'll get 3 with Angela's card.
Really?
And she told her, give me Angela's card.
Okay guys, andito kami sa Home Depot. Home Depot tayo ngayon. And, yun. Okay. That's 500 bucks. Is it strong? How much is this? This is stronger, huh?
Yeah. I kind of like this one. Extra. I don't like this one.
Oh, I like that one. What brand is this? Okay guys, so maghanap kami ng ano sa grill namin, yung cover. So hopefully they have it here. Wala man sila. This one, oh no, that's not it.
Yeah, like this.
Like that, but it's a bigger one.
This stretches.
Oh, that stretches.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, but it stretches forward. It's not stretches the side, the other side.
Stretches longer. Look at this one.
Yeah, but you need the one is flat. The one that we have is like this.
It's like this.
Yeah, I know, but it's longer like that.
Maybe a little longer than this. That's why I'm concerned.
No, I know, hon. I know it's longer. You just tell me.
This is too long, right? Too
That's
wide?
no. The one that we have is wider.
It can't be wider than this. Then I know you're just nuts.
So
You're nuts, son. It's not wider than that. There's no way in hell.
you don't. Can you undo what you said?
No, I can't.
Whatever, Tommy.
It's not wider than that, hon.
Oh, this is stronger material.
We can try it. We can try it.
30 bucks. 50 bucks, I guess. Ang mahal. This is expensive. You don't have the price here? Look, this is thick. Ito yung thick looks like, guys. Dangerous ito. 49.
997. 3 more times is 50.
This is 50 bucks, guys. Ang mahal naman ito. And then that's 25. Hose, yung ilagay mo yung hose. Yun. Palagi na lang mag, ano talaga. Then like this is right there, ah. Oh. Okay, guys. I'm done. I went to the store. I just went into Walmart alone. I don't want Tommy to go with me. So I went alone. Wala lang, naglagay lang si Tommy ng gas sa container, guys. Daming mga ano dito, mga dalaging ding nagtambay. Let me hold on, guys. Hi, Mitty Monkey. Hi, Monkey. Hi, Rox, baby ni Mama. Dadas yun. Let's go. Let's go. There's Dag. What is up with you? What is up? Ano na? You wanna come in? Who want to come in? Is you out there? Is you out there? Come in na. Oh. Come here. Suhat, ha? Suhat. Ha? You're so cute. Why are you so cute? Si Miss Dan, Miss is getting so cute and cuter. Cutie, binabangki na. Oh, my Roxy, my Roxy, baby.
Hi, puppy. Hi, no.
Look at Misty, guys.
Okay, I got a kitten leg over. Alright, kitten, how do you jump on those guys?
Okay, tell him to get down. Itong binili namin na hose para sa garden ko. Hopefully, okay siya. Ito yung binili namin, guys. So, hopefully, it works. And, nagbihis na si Mr. I will try that later.
So you're just going to need an extra brushing here.
Ganyan yan si Tommy.
Okay, so let's do this. This is different.
No, in the faucet over there. Which
do you
one?
want?
What?
Which one of these?
I want a nice one that is not gonna kill and damage the
Well,
plum.
this, you turn it like this. This one, you got the adjustments on it.
Yeah, but I want the one that I have.
Okay. Bring me the one that you have.
I told you not to get it.
So bring me the one that you have.
Ito yung gamit ko talaga. Ito siya, guys. You see? Talaga to. Look. Hala. It's wet. Look, that's a waste. That's like $17. How much is that? That was expensive, huh? We can return that. I can buy a bra with that.
And you can turn this. Okay, here's the thing. Now this, you just see this?
Mm-hmm.
Pull it back like this.
And you just do it like that.
Right.
Okay, and
Then take it off. Same thing.
you just pull it or push it?
You pull this back and then push it on.
Okay.
Pull it back and pull it off.
Okay.
This side is going to be the same thing. I'm going to put one on the faucet inside.
Mm-hmm.
So when you go to, you don't have to screw it on the faucet. So you just pull this back on the faucet and push it in.
Okay.
And then when you're done, unhook the faucet. That's it. This piece will stay on the faucet.
Tapos na! It's time to upload! Upload na tayo. Ay, grabe ang init sa labas. Ay, sakit talaga yung ulo ko. Every time na na-inhale ko yung sigarilyo ni Tami talaga, yung ulo ko talaga mag-explode talaga, as in. Ganyan yung buhok ko. Okay lang pala. I'm going to my car, Han. I forgot something over there. Han, I buy clementines and then you don't eat it? Oh, honey. I don't wanna...
I ate one already. I don't know what you're saying.
No, I don't say you eat.
Yeah, check the bag.
Nakalimutan kong ano din, guys, yung ano sa sasakyan, yung tripod natin. This is a handy tripod for the camera. Thank you.
Oh, no. I put it for a minute 35.
Huh? Minutes for 35?
Minute and 35 seconds. 1.5 minutes, okay? Is that enough?
The squirrel over there is walking on the thing. Over there, did you see? On the fence? Walking over there. Look over there. Look, jumping. You see it. Look, the hummingbird, Han, is enjoying, Han. Look.
Yes, son. Got it?
Oh, I love it. I love it. We're gonna eat
Uh-oh,
them.
Roxy's here. What does that mean? That means she ate already?
I guess.
Ooh, good girl. Ate all
Oh, the hot
Oh,
dog
you
you
didn't.
eat.
Oh, you did.
You
Look
eat
how
the
good
hot
you are.
dog. Hot dog, yeah, dog. I hate that so much. So we're gonna have the salad for Tommy and macaroni salad and also chicken. Me, I'm having my rice. We're not gonna cook for a week because we have a lot of food for the week. What did they eat? Rice and salmon lunch. Sarap yung sausage. You don't really need to put vinegar.
I like it better that way.
It's already 8 o'clock. And katatapos ko lang sa labas. Tinatry ko yung binili namin ni Tami na hose. And okay naman. Umabot siya doon sa pinaka-last na area kung saan yung garden ko. And also, I get rid of the ano na litos. And then tinanim ko, doon ko itatanim yung extra string beans and bok choy. And yeah, it's 8 o'clock na. Almost talaga. 2 minutes more to go to be 8. And my husband, the same thing. Every morning, every day. Watching this burnout testing.
You roll up those?
Huh? Huh?
You roll up those?
Yeah.
Put back in a little box?
No. Okay, we're gonna end the vlog. I'm sweating. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for spending time with us. We will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Hi guys.
Good night.
Siempre la película.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you. Good night.